Okay, so here's part 2. We're on the back side of your worksheet. So, number 7 says, draw a picture of lines that have no solution. Remember, no solution means they never ever cross at all. The only lines that never cross at all are parallel lines. Okay? I don't care if they're like that. I don't care if they're like this. I don't care what they look like. They just must be parallel. Okay? They never ever cross. All right, number 8. Which graph can be used to find the solution to the system of equations below? Number 8. So here's how I'm going to do this one. Let's put them in y equals and then just match the graphs. Okay? So move the x divided by y. We have to move our x over here. Okay, so we have negative y equals a negative x minus 1. Then divide them all by negative 1. So we have y equals positive x plus 1. Okay? Well, we can already count this one out because nothing crosses through the y-axis at 1 there, and nothing crosses through the y-axis at 1 there. Okay, so those are gone. Now let's do this one. Move the x divided by y. So we move our x. We have y equals negative 2x plus 4. Okay, so let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, this one doesn't cross at 4, so it must be B. You could also type these into y equals and then find the graph that matches, okay, if you don't trust your graphing capabilities. All right, number 9. A farmhouse hosts 10 weddings per year and 5 anniversary parties per year. So, 10 weddings per year and 5 anniversary parties per year. The total number of guests at all the weddings for 1 year is 103. So 103 guests for the whole year. Oh, 103 more than the total number of guests at the anniversary parties. So 103 more than, so it's this plus 103. So whatever we have for anniversary parties plus 103. Okay. Each wedding has 12 fewer guests than each anniversary party. Which system of equations can be used to find W, the number of guests at each wedding, and A, the number of guests at each anniversary party? So here's what I'm already going to tell you. 5 goes with anniversary parties and 10 goes with weddings. So let's just go through and make sure that matches. See right here? They have 5 weddings and 10 anniversaries. That doesn't match. So C's gone. Okay. We need 10 weddings, good. 5 anniversaries, good. 5 anniversaries, 10 weddings. 5 weddings, 10 anniversaries, no. Okay, so that's a really easy way to just knock things out. So, is it, because looking at these, they're almost the same, right? Okay, so let's look at the per year one, okay? It said the total number of all the guests at the wedding for 1 year is 103 more than the total of guests at anniversary parties. Okay, so which one's bigger? The wedding, right? So 10 wedding equals 5 anniversary plus 103. Okay, which one says that? This one does. Okay, this one did not, right? Now, let's also check what it said here. Each wedding has 12 fewer guests than each anniversary party. So that would mean each wedding has 12 fewer guests than each anniversary party. So each wedding has 12 fewer guests than every anniversary party. So that is here. Okay, try reading it and see if it sounds sense. An anniversary party equals weddings minus 12. That's not what that said, so we would know that was wrong. Okay, so you might have to sit and play with it for a little while. Okay, number 10. Bob has 60 coins consisting of quarters and dimes. Okay, so we're dealing with quarters and dimes. The coins' combined value is 1335. Which system of equations can be used to determine the number of quarters and the number of dimes Bob has? So we know he has a total of 60 coins, right? So that means all the quarters plus all the dimes will give him 60. Okay? All the quarters plus all the dimes will give him 60. Also, let's look at some things. How much is a quarter worth? 25 cents, right? And how much is a dime worth? 10 cents. So we can automatically mark off things that say 10Q. No. 10Q. Definitely not. Okay, so we're down to 2 choices already. So here's a tip for you. Money with money and items with items. Okay, so if we're talking about 0.25 quarters, so quarters, plus 0.10 dimes, that means that we need the amount of money there, $13.35. Money with money, items with items. So which one looks like this? This one does. Because see here they put 60 items with money. No, money with money, items with items. Number 11, last one. Julie owns a fidget spinner shop. She buys fidget spinners for M dollars each and sells them for F dollars each. Last month she bought 100 spinners and sold 74 spinners and made a profit of $7.89. This month she bought 120 spinners and sold them all and made a profit of $9.32. Which system of equations can be used to determine the value of M and F? Okay, so remember, M is what? M is the dollars she buys them for, and she sells them for F dollars, right? So M buy, F sells. Okay, so she's making a profit. You have to take what she bought and then subtract what she sells it for, okay, to find her total profits. Okay, so if she bought 100, oh, I'm sorry, it's the other way around. You have to take what she sells it for minus what she paid for it, okay? So it's like this. If you have a lemonade stand and you have to buy all the materials for it and then you sell it for like $3 a piece, you take what you made minus what you spent to start it, and that gets you your profits, okay? So you take what you sold it for, so 74 F minus the 100 that you bought it for, and that'll give you $7.89, okay? And then you do the same thing for the one below. 120 F minus what you paid for it originally, M, equals 932, okay? So which one looks like that? You should always actually look for and make sure these numbers are together, okay? That'll be a good little hint for you. So like this one minus M, this one minus M, So we need 74 minus 100, 74F minus 100, that, not this one. Okay? You always have to take what you've made off of it, subtract what you had to spend, and that'll tell you the amount of money you actually made, okay? So, test is tomorrow. Be sure you can explain all of these problems to somebody before you come in for the test, okay? Make sure you're ready. There's a lot of words in here that you have to read. You'll need the full time, and you're going to want to be ready. Don't stress yourself out. Don't have to come and retake it. Just know it the first time. Good luck.